When visiting Bahrain, be sure to take a visit to the Royal Camel Farm. This provides all the tourists a unique sight into treasure element of Bahraini culture. This farm has a home for about 600 camels of all ages and sizes. The farm was created by the King of Bahrain, Sheikh Mohammed, as a means of preserving camels in Bahrain. Oh God! These animals are not kept for breeding, for eating or production. They are mainly for preservation, because in olden days the camel was the main source of transport, and people in Bahrain used to use them to travel distance in the humid and dry weather. Bahrainis have a deep-rooted culture connection to camels for centuries. In many Bahraini and Middle Eastern in general, camel are still regarded as a symbol of power, wealth, and fertility. As a result, many wealthy Bahraini families own a camel at the Royal Camel Farm, a great family day out. Visitors have opportunity to get up close and personal with the camels, feeding and touching them. Even possible to arrange a camel ride around the compound. If you have a fee, arrange it with your guide and are willing to pay a small fees. One thing I have noticed that camels are separated into male and female bands, with the older and the younger camels separated from the main bands. During my visit, I asked the guide why they are done like that, because they said that at times the male can be very aggressive. So this is the way they protect the female. Located in Manama, just off the Janabia Highway, this is from the main city. It's about 20 minutes drive, and it's very close to the border of Saudi. So it's a good day out, especially with the children, when they enjoy seeing the camels. And it's at times it's really impressive to see how they fight even for a small piece of grass, and they want to eat together.